What's going on, fellas? If you're new here, I am Abel, and so are you. Well, guys, I I'm on the lookout for a spring-loaded multi-stripper plier crimper, and so we're gonna take a closer look at what I picked up. Spoiler alert, I picked up the wrong tool. Yeah. So we're going to still take a close look at it. Maybe this tool has something to offer. However, let's start by the part number 45112. This is by Ideal. Forged heavy duty dual non-metallic wire stripper. That's where I made my boo-boo. The non-metallic wire stripper. You have two sizes here, 12-2 and 14-2, and then you got your screws that you can cut. Ideal, lifetime guarantee. Ideal makes some decent stuff. Here's your warnings. Don't be cutting live circuits. Wear your goggles, safety glasses, your warranty information, contact information. Guys, I thought when this was in the package, and this package was beat up already, but what caught my eye was the plier head. This is kind of like it's not really a duck bill. This is kind of just a big heavy-headed plier. And the back of the package was kind of dark like that. And I just assumed, you had your usual suspects, wire strippers in there. I just glanced over that. It was kind of like that. And I was kind of captured by the plier head. So let's still, take a look at it. And the handles were unusual to me as well. So as we can see, I'll just go ahead and unlock this. And the fact that it's spring loaded, sometimes we make purchases focused on the few things that we're changing, yet not looking still at the complete package. So guys, that's on me, but we're gonna still look at this anyway. So let's look at the milled up here. This is rather grabby, but not as grabby as those Kleins. Definitely not as grabby as those Kleins. But they are aggressive. I'm sure they would twist any solid wire that you would have. And there it is. You see that? Your two sizes on your non-metallic. And then even here, your 14 and 12, those are solids, not even stranded. But I know you can still do stranded on this. And then there's your cutter right there. You can see that down in there. A little disappointed, but anyway, here's your ID, here's your part number. Here's your 2 screw holes. Here's your locking latch that will lock right there. Open it up. You got your spring, and you got your crimper. And then moving down, these handles are somewhat, but you know what? Somewhat curved. It does feel good. I will give them that. These feel great in the hand. I don't know who came up with this design, but that feels good. Colors are nice. Got your little ribbing here. Let's see. Do not use on live circuits. I'm not quite sure what that S is for. I don't know if this means, I don't know if that's a size, small, or some type of insignia for something. Same thing here. Do not use on live circuits. Got your ribbing there. Feels good. Got your lanyard holes for tethering. Excuse me. These are heavy duty. These feel great. Yeah. So we may as well check out the cutting and the crimping real quick. Let's see, what do we have here? This would be a 12 American wire gauge. So I'm gonna put this here and give it a pull. It ain't working. Let's try the other one. Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, guys, I picked up the wrong tool. But for any of you guys that wanna play around with this tool anyway, I guess we'll give her a go. We will give her a go. See what the crimp looks like. Yeah, so we don't want that all the way out there like that, but we're gonna give it a go. Hey. Got my knuckles again. Yep. That crimp is on there. Sloppy again. That does not look sexy at all, fellas. That crimp does not look sexy at all. It came out. Yeah. This was a fail. Let's see what it cuts like. Yeah, even the cutting, it's not good. Yeah, it's more or less smashing. It's cutting, but, and this is the 12. Yeah. Guys, this is a fail. This here, let's see what we got here. $16. Much smaller. Let's see. Let's first see if it'll strip. I'll put that in the 14 slot. Yeah, look at all that. Yeah, these, you know, even a bad, I mean, you know, I don't know what to say. This, I don't know if I'm doing this too right or am I doing this too wrong. You guys tell me. But I can definitely say that this is a fail, in my opinion. And even though I'm not doing a very good job, I feel like, you know, some tools can make you look good, and some tools, you know, sometimes when you're not doing well, if you got a good tool, it'll make you look better than what you really are. That's the sign of a good tool. That's on there. That's on there better. That's somewhat of a better job. But you know, behind this camera, I can't see that good. I can't. But that one's on there, and that crimp, you know, yeah, you know, no. For me, you know, I don't know if I'm being fair at all. But even just the cutting, you know, it's not snapping. I gotta pull it. I see, that should have just popped off. So, yeah. This is the first tool I've had in a long time that kind of disappointed. And I know I'm not being fair because this tool is made for non-metallic wiring, which is this here. It's made for this, and I don't have this kind of wire. So, you know, with all due respect, I'm not being fair. This may be a good tool. And if any of you guys had any experience with this tool, put it in the comments whether the tool was good for you. Because, you know, I hate to say negative things about something without, you know, being fair. And I will say I'm not giving this tool the best, how can I say, the best remarks, in part because I picked up the wrong tool. This is not even the tool I intended to pick up. So with that being said, I did just want to give a closer look on this tool. There may be some guys out there who are looking at this tool and maybe want to purchase this tool for what it's intended for. And so for you guys, I hope that I'm giving a good look at it. But this tool is not the tool that I intended to pick up, and it's not doing the job I intended it to do because it's not the right tool. So hopefully you guys are getting a good look at this. This grip is outstanding, I will say that. This grip is outstanding. I wish they would put this grip on a lot of other stuff. This is the first time I've seen this grip, and it's probably been around for years. I just happened to be in Lowe's. You know, Lowe's carry these. And I saw this plier head and the fact that it was spring loaded, and I just went bonkers and picked it up, thinking I found a diamond in the rough. But it's not. It is not. Like they say, everything that glitters is not gold. So, with that being said, guys, I hope you got through this. And if you did, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And with that being said, thumbs up.